Hello guys, this is Pin Studio page, and in this I will tell you how to generate a single pin from a product. And to do that, you will be first selecting your product for which you want to generate the pin. Let me choose this product. Now pins for that will be generated using the default values. Currently it is this template. All the templates are selected by default. And the color palette currently is blue. You can also choose purple or red based on your font color. And there is also default font value. Just keep that if you don't know what to do. And here you can customize the font. You can change the language if you want to say generate it for French audience. And for all templates, it is generated. You can also randomize it by hitting this shuffle view button. One template from this or one color palette from that will be chosen. You can also change the color palette from here. See how it looks. And after you find a pin which looks good, like this one, this pin looks good, I'm going to publish it. Simply click on that and update your description. Update your title and update your image or text if you want to do that. You can also change the templates form here on this. And you can also change the color palette form here. You can also change the default image. Like I can update it to this one or this one. And you can enable if you want to upload without URL. Everything is possible. It creates only one pin, and once you're done, choose the available date and time slot. Let's say it is 20th July. I will select that. Available time slot will be shown. Select it, and schedule pin is scheduled. You can check that from the calendar. That's all. By the way, I am building this PinFlow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.